Achieve security and peace of mind with the right insurance and takaful. With insurance, you get more than just financial protection. Imagine having a safety net that shields you and your family from unexpected events like accidents, serious illness, or asset losses. Insurance gives you freedom to live your life with peace of mind without worrying about the future. You can choose from various types of coverage that suit your needs, including health, life, vehicle, and property insurance. Enjoy the benefits of insurance which cover medical expenses, financial compensation, and protection of your valuable assets. With insurance, you not only protect yourself but also provide security and stability for your loved ones. Take a wise step today and find peace of mind with the right insurance for you. This video presentation are made in turn to talk about Zurich Malaysia versus AIA BHD for takaful and insurance conventional. Before that, let's meet our team from Group 7. Nabila binti Muhammad Effendi, Anastasia Nabila, Fatin Nabila, Siti Nur Fauziana, and the last Anita Fia.
Now let's look at the difference between takaful and conventional insurance in Malaysia. 1. Policy and fund. In terms of takaful, it is involved the mutual cooperation, which is the funds are contributed by donation from participant. From that pooled funds, it can be used to protect other participants from risk in the future. While the conventional insurance, a policy that shifts the risk to the insurance company. When you pay a fee called a premium, in return, the insurance company agrees to cover specific losses or damages. 2. Law and regulations in takaful. It is subject to follow the both Islamic Sharia rules and government laws. While the conventional insurance, it is subject to government laws only to follow. Then, did you know? Takaful isn't a religious product, and it is available to everyone, including non-Muslim. So, whether you're Muslim or not, you can participate in takaful and benefit from its community-focused approach insurance. 3. Investment components. In the part of takaful, the takaful operator will only invest in Sharia-compliant that are free from gharar, maisir, riba. While it different from conventional insurance, the conventional insurance companies are free to invest in legal instruments like bonds, stocks, and EICT. 4. The risk. In the term of takaful, it is involved in share risk shared among all participants, and the pooled funds are used to cover losses. While the conventional insurance, the risk is transferred from insurance to insurer. 5. Return. In the part of takaful, it involved with the profit or surplus that are shared among participants and operators of a takaful and fund. While in conventional insurance, the dividends or profit are returned to the shareholders of the company.
Key component of the application process for insurance policies and financial products. Let's start with the first key component, gathering essential personal information. During the application process, Zurich Insurance collects vital details such as name, address, date of birth, occupation, and other relevant information. This data is crucial for accurately identifying applicants and assessing their insurance need. Next, we move to underwriting. This is a pivotal step where Zurich Insurance evaluates the risk associated with insuring each applicant. We analyze factors such as health status, financial situation, and other risk indicators to determine the likelihood of future claims. This thorough assessment ensures that premiums are set appropriately. Once the underwriting process is complete and a policy is approved, Zurich Insurance ensures previous policy administration. This includes setting up policy detail in our systems, issuing comprehensive policy document, and maintaining accurate record. Our goals here is to ensure clarity and transparency for our policyholders. Moving on to claim processing, Zurich Insurance is committed to providing a seamless experience. We verify claim detail promptly assess their validity objectively and ensure timely payout. This efficient process not only supports our policyholders during challenging time but also reinforces trust and satisfaction. How does Zurich Insurance Group ensure the protection and security of application personal information during the application process? So, Zurich adheres to global and local data protection laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in Europe. This ensures that all personal data is handled in compliance with stringent legal requirements. Adherence to data protection and privacy regulation. Data protection and privacy are paramount at Zurich Insurance. We adhere strictly to stringent data protection laws and regulations, ensuring that all personal information collected during the application process is handled securely and confidentially. This commitment underscores our dedication to protection our applicant privacy, safeguard the confidentiality and security of applicant personal information. First, we implement cutting-edge cybersecurity solutions. These include firewalls, intrusion detection system, and anti-malware software. Firewall serve as the first line of defense, blocking unauthorized access to our network. Intrusion detection system continuously monitor network traffic for suspicious activities, allowing us to quickly identify and respond to potential threats. Anti-malware software protects our system from malicious software and ensuring that any attempt to compromise our data at work. Next, we focus on networking and security. Our secure access control are a key aspect of this. Access to personal information are restricted to authorized personnel only using role-based access control. This ensures that employees can only access the data necessary for their specific job functions, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access. Additionally, we segment our network to contain and isolate any potential breach, preventing them from spreading across our entire system. And the last one is another critical component is our managed web application. These applications are designed with security in mind, incorporating best practice such as a regular update, patches, and vulnerability scan. By managing our web application effectively, we ensure that they remain secure against the latest threat. This proactive approach helps protect applicants' personal information from cyber attacks that target web-based systems. Detects the assessment of risk and determination of premium. In Zurich, Malaysia, the insurance industry operates similarly to global standards but is tailored to local regulation and market conditions. Insurance companies assess risk by evaluating factors such as the insured person's age, health status, occupation, lifestyle habit, and the types of coverage requests. This assessment helps insurers estimate the likelihood of a claim being made. Comprehensive understanding of policy terms and conditions. We prioritize ensuring that applicants have a comprehensive understanding of their policy terms and conditions. Clear communication and detailed documentation are essential to setting accurate expectations and preventing misunderstanding. This transparency strengthens our relationship with our policy holders. Fundamental element in the application process for insurance policy and financial product. The first step in our application process is gathering essential personal details from applicants. This includes personal identification, contact information, financial background, and health status. Collecting this information is crucial to ensure completeness and accuracy for effective policy evaluations. Accurate underwriting is a backbone of our application process. By assessing the personal data collected, we can evaluate risk accurately and determine appropriate premiums. This ensures fair pricing and adequate coverage for our applicants, providing them with the protection they need. So, for efficient policies administration is made possible by the accurate data we collect. This facilitates the insurance management and renewal of insurance policy, streamlining the entire process and enhancing the customer experience. Accurate personal data are also vital for seamless claim processing. When a claim is made, we can quickly and efficiently verify it against the policy terms, ensuring timely and fair disbursement of claim to our policy holders. This helps maintain trust and satisfaction among our customers. Aligned with stringent data protection and privacy standards. At New AIA Malaysia, we adhere to stringent data protection and privacy standards. We are committed to safeguarding the confidentiality and security of our applicant personal information. Compliance with regulatory requirement is a top priority to ensure that customer data is protected at all times. AIA Malaysia help clients by evaluating risk and determining premium for their insurance policies. They consider factors like age, health, occupation, and lifestyle to assess individual risk accurately. Using advanced tools and techniques, AIA Malaysia ensure that premiums are fair and reflect each person's unique risk profile, providing tailored and reliable insurance solutions. Comprehensive understanding of policy terms. We believe that providing a comprehensive understanding of policy terms and conditions is essential. This ensures that our applicants are fully informed about their coverage and obligation, facilitating informed decision making and help them choose the right policy for their needs. Support and guidance. AIA Malaysia is dedicated to offering support and guidance throughout the application process. Our representatives are always available to assist applicants with any question or concern, ensuring a smooth and positive experience from start to finish.
Next, we are diving into the key issues surrounding takaful and conventional insurance. Whether you are a consumer looking to understand your option or an industry professional, this video will provide valuable insight into the challenges each system faces. Sharia compliance. Any deviation can lead to a loss of credibility and trust among participants. Continuous monitoring by Sharia boards and scholars is required, which can be research intensive. Next, awareness and understanding. There is a limited awareness and understanding of takaful principles among the general public. Misconceptions about its legitimacy and efficacy compared to conventional insurance also pose a challenge. Next is regulatory framework. The lack of standardized regulatory frameworks across different countries creates inconsistencies in the application of Sharia principles. Next, operational challenges. Managing the surplus sharing mechanism and balancing risk sharing among participants can be complex. Market penetration and competition. Takaful has lower market penetration compared to conventional insurance and faces intense competition from established insurance. Investment practices. Restriction on investment options to ensure Sharia compliance can make it difficult to find suitable opportunities that offer competitive returns. Next, let's look at the challenges in conventional insurance. Moral hazard. Policyholders may engage in riskier behavior knowing they are covered, leading to increased claims and costs. Adverse selection. Higher risk individuals are more likely to purchase insurance, creating an imbalanced risk pool and higher premiums. Regulatory compliance. Navigating complex and varying regulatory requirements across different regions can be costly and time-consuming. Next is investment risk. Exposure to market volatility and economic downturns can affect the insurer's investment portfolio. Balancing safe investments with those offering higher returns is crucial. Next, climate change and catastrophic events. The increasing frequency and severity of natural disasters lead to higher claims and financial strain. The last is technological disruption. Rapid technological advancement disrupt traditional insurance model.
Takaful faced several challenges, including meeting Sharia compliance, which requires adherence to Islamic principles like avoid riba, qaror, and masyih. Standardized Sharia compliance framework and fostering collaboration between Sharia scholars and financial experts can help. There is also a lack of awareness and understanding among potential customers, which can be addressed through educational campaigns, digital marketing, and partnership with community leaders. The regulatory framework for takaful is inconsistent across regions, necessity harmonization of regulation and the establishment of international regulatory bodies. Operational challenges in managing supply sharing and fair distribution can be tackled with transparent procedure and technology. Market penetration is hindered by competition with conventional insurance, so differentiating takaful product and forming strategic alliances are essential. Finally, investment practice must align with Sharia principle, which limits option, has developed more Sharia compliant investment instrument, and collaborating with Islamic financial institutions is crucial. Conventional insurance also face significant issues such as moral hazard, where policyholders may engage in risky behavior. Implementing fraud detection system and offering incentive for risk-reducing behavior can mitigate this. Adverse selection where high-risk individuals disproportionately purchase insurance can be managed by using advanced data analytics and risk-adjusted premium model. The complexity of regulatory compliance across various jurisdictions can be addressed by advocating for regulatory harmonization and investing in compliance management system. Insurance must also navigate investment risk due to market volatility by diversifying investment portfolio and adopting conservative strategy. The increasing impact of climate change and catastrophic events require insurance to develop products addressing climate risk and invest in predictive analytics. Lastly, technological disruption can be turned into an opportunity by embracing digital transformation and develop innovative products that leverage new technologies. Conclusion: to address the challenges in takaful and conventional insurance, several methodologies such as literature review, SWOT analysis, comparative analysis, market data and trend analysis, and case study were employed. Key issues in takaful include Sharia compliance, awareness and understanding, regulatory framework, inconsistencies, operational challenges, market penetration, competition, and investment practice. In conventional insurance, moral hazard, adverse selection, regulatory compliance, investment risk, climate change, and technology disruption are primary concerns. By utilizing these methodologies, comprehensive and evidence-based recommendations were developed to enhance the effectiveness, relevance, and impact of both takaful and conventional insurance industry.
Literature analysis, a preliminary study, collect and review the latest literature and previous study related to takaful and conventional insurance. Identify key issue on the available literature include challenges and weaknesses that have been identified by previous research. Critical evaluation. Perform a critical evaluation of solution that has been proposed in the literature and evaluate the effectiveness and shortcoming of the approach. Second is SWOT analysis, identification of strengths and weaknesses. Identify internal strengths and weaknesses in the takaful and conventional insurance industry. Identification of opportunity and threat. Identify external opportunity that can be exploited and threat that need to be addressed in the industry. Strategy recommendation. Develop a strategy based on SWOT analysis to overcome weaknesses, leverage strengths, seize opportunity, and avoid threat. Third methodology is comparative analysis, comparison with best practice, comparing practice in takaful and conventional insurance with the best practice in the global. Learning reason, taking learning reason from the best practice and adaptive relevant approach. Effectiveness evaluation of comparative approach and measure that the impact of performance improvement of the takaful and conventional insurance.